I think they're taking like senior pictures and they're definitely filming. There's a bunny. It doesn't know what to do now. Good morning, fam. I don't know what time it is. I got back an hour or so ago from working out, kind of, with my family at Atwater. We do it every Saturday, so we just run the stairs up and down. I'm just trying to get my stamina up. Plus, I've been eating a lot of potatoes this week. I caught this ant. It's gigantic. You can't really see it clearly. I caught it on this, there you go, candle top thing. I didn't want to squish it because I didn't have anything to kill it with. I caught it over there by the guinea pig's cage. It was just walking. And it's really funny because Riley and I saw it crawling to another apartment when I came back from work yesterday. It was crawling into another place, but I guess it followed us in here. And I was going to throw it out the window, but then I was like, let's just bring it downstairs, and I started to carry it, but then it started to move. There was a giant hole. It's creepy. But anyways, I'm just trying to hang up these curtains because they keep falling down. Tension on the rods aren't really working, plus the cats keep ripping them down from where they are. May, don't release it. Riley surprised me with a bunch of chapsticks, so wahoo. Super nice of him. He also got a brand new like rainbow keyboard over there. What? What?
I love you.
I love you. Hello vlog. Still July 8th. Surprise, surprise, on a Saturday, my only day off in the week. I'm going out to hang out with Deja today. We're going to go get some pho, if that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. I kind of just want to drink a soda and call it a day. Oh, hi! Ha! What? Haha. What is this? It's a camera. Why? Alright, I got it for sale at Target, that's why. Deja is making fun of those cauliflower flowers because they're falling over. They're like, get your life, you broke it. Let's just do it. Being healthy and walking to Target instead of driving. Drink nice. This is not a brand deal. I wish I was sponsored. You wish. Whoa, it's dark. Ooh, jeez, I'm mess. We made last minute plans to go to the lake today. We were planning to go to, the Air and Water show, but it ended at 4. And right now it's 5:05 on Saturday, July 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th? I don't know what day it is. Oh, it's so hot. We are going to the lake today just to hang out since CJ just got back from the Philippines and we haven't hung out basically all summer since she went to do that. I think she went to her cousin's wedding. That's why she went with her grandma and she was a bridesmaid. We're actually hanging out with Jasmine today. I guess she's our replacement for Alyzza since Alyzza's busy. There's so much traffic since the Air and Water show. I have so many regrets right now.
Oh, I am? Yeah. You're tanner than me. I'm so tan. Because I play outside with children every day. Oh.
Nice hat.
Yay!
Is Ate coming?
That's what she wanted to come. She said she had her period. It was a tampon.
First time I used a tampon, I
got pregnant.
I was swimming in middle school, like the swim unit,
yeah,
and it still doesn't work for me. Like it bled out. Yes, the right way.
My ass.
Wrong one. And then I checked after the swim unit because I kept checking like, is there blood in the water? Are you okay?
When you swim or when you go in the water, it stops. Yeah, you don't. It stops.
Really?
It's magic. She knows. Back to my story. Wow. She didn't finish her.
What is your story? Tell me your story.
So my friend is in Germany right now, like I said.
Okay.
So she was like, "Oh, I got my period." Went to the store. They only had tampons.
Survival.
No, but there's no applicator. It's just the cotton thing.
Oh.
So she gotta put it up with their fingies. And they don't have nighttime pads apparently.
Defeated.
I wanna go. I wanna eat.
Where's
I'm
Grandma's
hungry.
house?
I miss
You can go to Hot Pop. I want to show you. I missed you too. Oh, thanks. I haven't showered in 2 days.
Why do you smell so good?
Because I heavily sprayed myself. Sneaky peek on the vlog. I made this for it.
Remember when I kept complaining about him and I was like, man, I hate him, but then I went to a quiz and I was like, oh my god.
I am.
GJ. Who's GJ, Megan?
Good job.
Gregory Joseph. Hello. You look so tan.
Hello, everyone. I just came back from the Philippines, my dude.
She knows.
I was gonna wear pants today. Amazing! So much fun. There's so many cockroaches.
That's the best part I can.
That's the worst part. Cockroaches is the best part. That'd be cool as hell. Wow.
It was on his nose? It was on his nose. Like, it was like a freaking movie. Like a Disney show. Okay, make your bets. When did World War II end?
I'm gonna say
When did World War II end?
65.
1945. Okay, what's the date? It was 45. But what was the date?
14th.
August 14th?
I know that.
CJ, what's your guess?
On my birthday, July 24th.
July 24th? It's May 8th.
I told you it was in May.
We made it.
Why do we not have service?
Panic.
There's boys here.
Ooh, there's boys for Alyzza. We got you, Alyzza. We're watching out for you. Blues Clues. Oh, they're running now. That's what we should do. They don't have abs. I changed out of my swimsuit because I didn't think anybody would wear their swimsuits today because they said it was gonna be cold. It is hot. It is very hot in the sun. Can she do it? Can she do it? Just throw it. Do it. Okay, I'm gonna open your present now.
Yay!
There's a fish.
It's a coin fish.
Aww. This is made in the Philippines. It's cute.
It's a fish!
It's a fish. Ooh.
Fish bash.
Wine. It looks like juice.
What is that?
It's in my eyeballs!
Now you won't get sunburned.
Yeah!
Hey, thanks, CJ.
You're welcome.
Hey girls.
Hey girls. Does it look okay? Do I look like I've just emerged from a swamp? If anyone needs wipes, let me know. I carry some in my purse at all times.
Okay, Mom.
I'm making really quick vlogs on my phone right now because my camera ran out of...
the mic. Yeah.
Cause my camera. Okay, I'll hold it over here. My camera. So CJ decided that we can go eat out tonight to the place that we always eat out. Korean barbecue. We're gonna go to Stonewall without Alyzza. Sorry, Alyzza. We love you. Oh yes, we love you. Love you in the offices. Yes. Yeah, why not? We're already here.
Last week Saturday.
Oh, so awful. Why would you bring your friend like that over there?
Oh, you racist!
I didn't say anything about that.
I'll do my yoga. I don't know how long doing your yoga. We're gonna go with Jessie.
Oh wait, I have to take off my pants. Why? Oh my gosh, look how big the waves are! Jesus, you're gonna get it, go!
She's out, she's out.
Isn't it?
Look, like I'm taking off my shorts.
Here comes Savannah. Here comes Savannah. Here comes CJ. Get in! The water is refreshing.
I want dumplings. I want them steamed and fried.
Savannah's paying. Yeah, where'd you get that bottle?
This is Mary.
How cute! So cute!
Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh my god. I'll walk with you. I'm falling. I'm falling.
Sing, Jessie. No, I don't want to sing. My angel of music. Oh, my booty's in the water.
Oh my god!
Really very mad. Jessie, look. Look at shot. Oh, so ugly. Oh, nasty. Oh, look, a stick. I missed. She made it.
Let me up.
Believe in yourself. If you dream it, you can do it. You're the bomb.com. Should we go to CJ?
She's like, I want to leave. But I think it is.
Work. Oh, and there's the poop. And there's the poop. There's the
We're
poop.
number 2.
And there's the water.
Number 2.
The sky meets the sea. It calls me. pick a profile picture. Which one should she pick?
Closed.
Close.
It's probably just gonna be like. I think my favorite thing is how you and Jesse are kind of like in the background, just kind of like.
So I'm gonna Photoshop Alyzza into here really crappily so it looks
She's like,
all the same shade. Look at our thighs. Beautiful. Look at our thighs. Maybe it's a little darker. It's perfect. A little darker, but it's fine.
you can tell right there.